Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Ryan. Previous class we have learned that how to build the music store page in HTML and CSS. And now this class we have learned that how to build the simple text animation in HTML and CSS. So I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share friends and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Now here I will write Sublime text 3 and go. I will open it and new file and new file. So go here, save as, and here I will write any. So animation.html, yes, and cancel it. And go here, go save, and here we can write animation.css. Then our work. So now here you can write HTML, and here you can write document, and go here, enter it, and here you can write link, and here I will go, and here I will enter, and now here you can write. Here I will write animation.css, and here I will enter it, and now here you can write animation. So here you can write div, and div class will be my container. Then our work and enter it, and now here you can write span tag. Here I will write span, and here I will go, and here I write class will be text 1, and here I will go, and here I will write run age, and now age, and here I will go, and here I will write span class text. Do not copy this and paste it because it is merged. Okay, so this, and I will upper, and this and this. So then work. So here I will write real tag and refresh, save it. Then go here and refresh. You can see the work. So now here I will go here, and now my HTML work is only done, and here I will go, and here I will this, and now here I will go, and here I will write margin should be 0 pixel, and here I will write padding will be 0 pixel, and now here I will write border box, box sizing, so it will be border box, enter it, and now here you can write background color should be this 00, and 00 means black, and now here you can write font family, my family should be Montserrat, and here I will write sans serif. Then our work. So now here I will go, and here I will write dot container, and here you can write, here I will write color should be FF, and here I will enter it. Here I will write text align should be center, so I will leave that text align should be center, enter it, and now here I will write text align should be center, and now here you can write top should be my, here top should be my 50, and here I will write left should be also 50, and here I will write margin, my margin should be 345. I will see you 345, then pixel, then over, and go here, and here I will write dot container span, and here I will write text transform, text sound will be uppercase, then our option. Here I will write dot text 1, and here I will write, here my right font, the size will be 60 pixels, and now enter it, and here I will write font weight should be 700, then our work, and refresh. You can see here my work is this, you can see it. So now here I will go here, so now here I will enter it, so now here I will write, I will go, and so now here I will go, and here I will write letter spacing will be 8 pixels, so 8 pixels, then I will write, so now enter it, and now here I will write any Animation should be, here I will write 3 seconds and 1. So then I will work, so save it, because here I will write so text, then I will work, so save it, go here, then refresh, doesn't working, and here I will go and copy it, and here I will paste it, and here I will write text 2. So now here I will go. So now here I will go and here I will write 14. Then I will write, and here I will write color. Color should be green and yellow. Then I will work. So now here I will save it. Go here, then refresh. You can see here I will then work, and now here I will erase. So I will enter it and enter it. So now here I will go and here I will write this, and here I will write key frame, and here I will this text. So now here I will this. So now the nano works. So now here I will write font size should be 25 pixels. Save it. One mistake. Here I will write text. You can write here text. Here I will one mistake text. So now here I will go to here and here you can write font size. Font size will be 25 pixels. Go here, then refresh. You can see easily I will make simple animation in HTML and CSS. And I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So for today, goodbye.